year-round.
So many of you have asked me about the little slogan that I have at my school called "Wait for the Wave." Well, I'm in the ocean because that's what mermaids do. And it is sunset in August. And a typical gentle wave action on our ocean. And did you know that you have these exact waves coursing through your body every single second of every single day? Even when you're asleep at night. And the biggest wave that's active when we rest is the wave in our gut. And this is the wave that decides what the weather will be. So join us at CathySheaSchool.com as we wait for the wave.